Hello guys, welcome to my next channel. Today's topic is about two things. First is skeleton leg and second I will tell you later. So begin with the chapter of the first. Uh, it is a skeleton lake located in the Himalayas, which is also known as Rupkad, Mystery Lake or Skeleton Lake. It's a high altitude glacial lake in the Uttarakhand state of India. It lies in the law of Trisul Massif located in the Himalayas. The area around the lake is inhabited and is rough at an altitude of 16,470 feet, surrounded by rocky striven glaciers and snow-capped mountains. This place is also well known for the trekking destination because it is very hard to climb, because it is very top in height. That is why. And one mystery I will tell you about that skeleton lake. Skeleton lake means you will think that it is very dangerous. It is dangerous too, because that lake is full of skeletons in the water. Nobody knows that skeleton is exist when it exists and from where it has come. Some people tell that it has come from 19th to 10th century because it has classified by scientists by India and many other countries. They have told that many species like their full family and their ancestors also existed there. They have told that how they disappeared, that of some war taken place there. And means it is famous for the tourism also. And guys, now I will tell of about the second mystery of a state named Jatinga. It is also in Himalaya only. Jatinga village on a ride is located in Dima, Hasir district, Assam state in India. It is 330 kilometers south of Guwahati. The village is inhabited by about 2,500 Khasi Bna tribal people and a few Assam Wikipedia. And there's mystery is that every year at one day, means in winter someday, when it becomes evening on that day, on that day everything is normal. When it becomes evening, the birds come in large numbers in the sky flying, and they fly like a horrible manner, means hitting the mountains, hitting the trees, and they die also and fall down. It takes every year, and if you go there, you will be very afraid of that place. Nobody knows that how it takes place there. Some people tell that some negative power is there, that it scared the birds, and in evening they fly. And the next morning you will see that all the birds have died and fall down. Many birds are dying every year, but nobody know that how it takes place. The scientists also don't have this proof also. Okay guys, tomorrow one more episode. That will be an interesting episode. For till now, bye. If you like the video, like and comment and share. And if you are new, please subscribe this video.